Hi everyone, hope you had a good Christmas. Here's a very quick tip from me today. So here I am just melting some scrap silver, and the more heat you add, the quicker it will form into a ball. And once it's formed into like a ball or a pebble of silver, you can then use it to create your own earrings or your own pendant. So here's what it looks like once all of the silver's melted. Pop it into some cold water and then pickle it for a little while. And when you pick it out, it'll look just like this. And so you can hit it with a hammer. You can use your roller. So here's my rolling machine, and you can add on to it any embellishments you like by soldering them. So cut out a separate piece and solder it on, and there you have it.